Now let's talk about the angle between line and plane as we talked in the previous video, but this time we are going to talk about it in Cartesian form. So the Cartesian form would be between a line and a plane. The line has the equation x minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon m, z minus z1 upon n. And the plane's equation would be ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So these are the both things we are going to consider. Now what is the angle? The angle is given by sine theta, which is equal to al plus bm plus cn whole over root a square plus b square plus c square, and also root l square plus m square plus n square. So theta would be computed as sine inverse of this right hand side thing. Now again, two important things: the condition of parallelity and the condition of perpendicularity. So what do we need to understand in case of parallelity? For parallelity, the following condition should be followed: L upon A is equal to M upon B is equal to N upon C. But this is only for parallelity. What about perpendicularity? For perpendicularity, AL means the numerator plus BM plus Cn should be equal to 0. This should be satisfied. So wherever we find a question in Cartesian form, it is better to go with this methodology. But if the question has equations in vector form, it is better to go with the previous methodology that we studied.